was gonna fall on my foot, on my bad foot. What is going on with me today? Oh. Hey cutie, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, my lovely. Today, I just want to talk about the elephant in the room, and I know that there's going to be plenty of people recreating this look, but I just had to do it because Ariana just slayed my life with that makeup look. If you want to know how I created this eye look, keep on watching, and let's get started. So first I'm gonna go in with a medium brown in my crease because she has a warm color brown inside of her crease before it goes into the wing. And I want to blend that out just a little bit. Now I want to fade it upward to blend in with the previous color with a lighter shade of nude. And after that, I want to deepen the color just a little bit with a darker shade of brown into that crease. And wing it out just a little bit to go along with the wing that I am adding. And in the inner corner, I want to set that with a lighter brown. Now, if you're like me and you do not have any steady hands, you want to add a tape so that you can level out where you want your wing to go. Now with a black liner, you want to start from the peak where you want your liner to start and bring it down in an angle to have that straight line. After that, you want to fill in the rest. Now in the video, she has it a bit thicker, so I'm gonna go ahead and thicken out my liner a little. And now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape. Now I wanna go on with my white liner, and we're gonna start at the peak of where I started this black liner and go underneath it. And I want to start off at the same peak and bring it inward. And now you're going to start from the inner corner of your eye and bring it outward to connect on this side. And after you complete that part, you're gonna bring from the outer corner of your eye to the center of your bottom lid. And after that, you want to go ahead and clean up that bottom part since some of it gets on your eyelash. After that, you want to go ahead and add some black liner to your bottom lid and your lash. And that right there is the finished look, guys. That is how I recreated the eye. look in the video Rain on Me. And if you are a new viewer and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday and Thursday with a new video. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Ashley, I thought you were gonna piggyback on my what is love.